do you disrespect people at your event? Ngoba people must feel comfortable and loved at your event when you're busy trashing them. Tulani. Mina fanele ngikhulume zozwa ngami utshwala bakho biza. How can you sell a moe for 1,800 rands into uyithenge macro wena ngo-800? Yazi abantu baxakile ngempela. And this party started off like ngathi party free wabiza wonke lama influencers ayake nawo lapho. Mina I'll never go for something ngcengile. I was just like, please, there's nothing there. You know? So and then you treat people like trash at your event. Who even does that? Now you are trending for wrong reasons. Ukuthi treat abantu kabi. Ngapha usima ubusy no DJs inhle. Usima uyingane akazi next nga anything. Uyishe married. No, guys, she's not married. There's about ezomishado yabantu, guys. How do you even fakaza anything? I don't know. So yabona ke guys ukuthi ngibeka kanjani indaba ka DJs inhle ukuthi ushadile benobendaba and sometimes akufunakali sibe too involved in their situations. Like I always say, guys, we can do gossip, we can say a lot of things about people. Abanye ba create an story that don't exist just to get views. So my thing is just like ushati usim wazi njenga any relationship usima for that matter ayidlulela ile yakhe siyazi that we're not gonna mention here over and over again. It's so exhausting. It's actually monotonous. Skatel. DJs is just like, why would Sima say Metabongs is a Oyinja? She can't come out of that. She can't get over it. And then justify your sisters uzothi DJs inhle washo masuyena washo ukuthi nje yazini the allegations are cheating nana. Yeah, but guys, you can't make up decisions now calling people and calling abantu babantu izinja. You don't have that right. Like I always say, guys, I'm a dynamics. Singabi too much. Ungenelele kakhulu lokho. DJs inhle, that's bravery. Why wouldn't you just come to her and tell her? Go buyamazi usibazana noSima vele baya DJ yo DJ ngithi noSima. They do speak, these people. They know each other from the streets of DJing. So uyagijima usisters uyahamba ku TikTok ukhuluma indaba zabantu. Angithi ufuna abantu lapha ku TikTok uyahamba u2.5 million followers there. She's starting all over ngento zabantu. She must concentrate on the situations, honestly, because yabona abantu DJs inhle is not fine. She's just like, why would you call someone's husband inja? Like, who even does that? And you should say Azana nalomuntu, why didn't she just reach out to me and be like, oh girl, sorry. Now kona usima ingane eklaza. That must just grow up and concentrate on his things and her things as cooler and leave people's marriages alone. Things must have been said about this marriage, but as in getting down.